If you told someone 10 years ago that you could get a reliable, accurate, feature-packed rifle for under $500, they would have laughed. But in 2026, the budget rifle market has completely changed the game. Manufacturers are delivering quality that was once reserved for $800 to $1,000 price tags. And today we're counting down the 9 best rifles you can buy right now without breaking the bank. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a hunter on a budget, or someone building a practical home defense setup, this list has something for you. Let's get into it, starting at number 9 and working our way up to the absolute best value rifle you can buy today. Number 9. Mossberg Patriot .308 Win/multiple calibers, $400, $450. Mossberg Patriot is where this list begins, and it earns its spot by being one of the most overlooked bolt-action rifles in the budget category. The Patriot features a spiral-fluted bolt, a user-adjustable LBEA, lightning bolt action, trigger that can be tuned down to around 2 pounds, and a button-rifled, free-floating barrel. All features you'd expect on rifles costing twice as much. Available in a wide range of calibers from .243 Win to .300 Win mag. It's versatile enough for deer hunting, long-range paper punching, or predator control. The synthetic stock is comfortable and weatherproof, and the overall fit and finish for the price is genuinely impressive. Groups under 1 MOA are achievable with quality ammo, which for a $400 rifle is outstanding. If you're getting into bolt-action hunting rifles and don't want to spend big, the Mossberg Patriot should absolutely be on your radar. Number 8. Savage Axis 2 .223/.308/multiple calibers, $380, $450. Savage Axis 2 takes the number 8 spot because Savage figured out something the competition hadn't. Put a genuinely great trigger in a budget rifle and people will love it. The Axis 2 comes equipped with the AccuTrigger, Savage's adjustable trigger system that delivers a crisp, clean break with minimal creep, making it feel far more premium than the price suggests. The button rifle barrel is known for consistent accuracy, and the synthetic stock is solid and functional. It's available in popular hunting and sport shooting calibers, and the detachable box magazine makes reloading fast and easy in the field. Real-world accuracy typically falls in the 0.75 to 1.25 MOA range, which is impressive for a rifle at this price point. Savage has a long reputation for accuracy-focused engineering, and the Axis 2 is proof that you don't need to spend big to shoot straight. It's a no-nonsense, do everything hunting and range rifle that punches well above its weight class. Number 7. Ruger American Rifle .308/.223/6.5 Creedmoor, $420, $480. Ruger American Rifle earns the number 7 position because Ruger took reliability and accuracy seriously when designing a truly affordable bolt-action platform. The American features a power bedding system, an integral bedded block chassis that free floats the barrel and provides a rigid foundation for consistent accuracy. The Marksman adjustable trigger is crisp out of the box and can be adjusted without tools, which is a big deal for shooters who care about feel. The rotary magazine feeds reliably, and the 3-lug 70-degree bolt throw gives you fast follow-up shots. Available in an excellent selection of calibers, including the increasingly popular 6.5 Creedmoor, this rifle transitions seamlessly between hunting trips and range sessions. Ruger's quality control is well respected, and owners consistently report sub-MOA groups with good factory ammunition. For under $480, the Ruger American is a complete, refined package. Not a budget rifle that feels like a compromise, but a genuine shooter that happens to be affordable. Number 6. Henry Lever Action .22 LR, $350, $400. Henry Lever Action .22 claims the number 6 spot as the best rimfire rifle on this list, and honestly, it might be the most fun rifle under $500 period. Henry Repeating Arms is an American manufacturer with a reputation for quality, and their classic lever action .22 is smooth, reliable, and beautifully made. The action is silky, one of the smoothest lever guns you'll ever cycle, and the American walnut stock with a blued steel barrel gives it a timeless aesthetic that feels premium far beyond the price tag. It holds 15 rounds of .22 LR in the tubular magazine, making it ideal for plinking, small game hunting, pest control, and introducing new shooters to the sport. The sights are excellent out of the box, and it's drilled and tapped for optics if you want to add a scope. Henry rifles are also made in the USA, which matters to a lot of buyers. Whether you're training fundamentals or just having a great time at the range, the Henry Lever Action .22 is one of the most satisfying rifles at any price. Number 5. Smith & Wesson M&P 15 Sport 2, 5.56 NATO /.223, $450, $500. Takes number 5 as the best AR-15 style rifle on this list, and it represents extraordinary value in the modern sporting rifle category. For right around $500, or often slightly under, you get a direct impingement AR-15 with a 16-inch 1-8 twist barrel, forward assist, dust cover, and a Magpul MOE handguard. Features that use to push a budget AR well past the $500 mark. The 1:8 twist rate stabilizes everything from 55 grain to 77 grain projectiles, making it versatile for home defense, varmint hunting, and range use. The M&P 15 Sport 2 runs reliably and is backed by S&W's solid customer service reputation. The flat-top upper receiver accepts virtually any optic, and the mil-spec components mean aftermarket upgrades are easy and affordable. Real-world reliability reports from owners are consistently strong, with minimal malfunctions even after thousands of rounds. If you want an AR-15 that works without spending $700 to $1,200 on a premium brand, the Sport 2 is the smartest buy in 2026. Number 4. CZ 455/CZ 457, .22 LR /.17 HMR, $400, $480. Earns the number 4 position as the most accurate rimfire bolt-action rifle under $500, and it's the choice of serious precision shooters who don't want to spend big. Czech manufacturer CZ has a legendary reputation for precision engineering, and the 457 is a masterclass in what a .22 bolt action should be. The cold hammer forged barrel delivers exceptional accuracy. Groups under half an inch at 50 yards are routinely achievable, and the adjustable trigger breaks cleanly and consistently. The action is tight, smooth, and feeds reliably from detachable box magazines available in both .22 LR and .17 HMR, depending on the barrel you choose. The CZ 457 also has an interchangeable barrel system, meaning you can swap calibers without buying a new rifle. The stock is well fitted, and the overall quality feels like a $700 rifle. Competitive rimfire shooters, small game hunters, and anyone who wants to shoot precisely and affordably will find the CZ 457 hard to beat. It's the rifle that makes experienced shooters say, "How is this under $500? Number 3. Tikka T3X Lite, 6.5 Creedmoor /.308, $480, $500. Lands at number 3 because it represents the ceiling of what budget bolt-action rifles can achieve, and it sits right at the edge of our $500 price point. Finnish manufacturer Tikka, a subsidiary of Seiko, builds rifles to an extremely high standard, and the T3X Lite is widely considered one of the most accurate factory rifles available at any price, not just under $500. The cold hammer forged barrel, smooth as glass bolt action, and excellent factory trigger combined to produce sub-MOA accuracy right out of the box with standard factory ammunition. The synthetic stock is lightweight and weather resistant, making it an ideal hunting rifle for all conditions. The T3X Lite is available in 6.5 Creedmoor, arguably the best all-around hunting and long-range cartridge available today, which makes it a complete long-range hunting package. Hunters and precision shooters who handle a Tikka T3X for the first time are consistently shocked that something this refined exists under $500. If you can find it at or below the price ceiling, buy it without hesitation. Number 2. Ruger October 22nd, .22 LR, $250, $330. Ruger 10/22 takes the number 2 spot, not because it's the most expensive or the most tactical rifle on this list, but because it may be the single most important and versatile rifle ever made for the budget-conscious shooter. Since 1964, the 10/22 has sold tens of millions of units. And in 2026, it remains the gold standard for semi-automatic .22 LR rifles. The rotary 10-round magazine feeds flawlessly. The action is incredibly reliable, and accuracy out of the box is solid for a rimfire platform. But the real magic of the October 22nd is the aftermarket ecosystem. No rifle on Earth has more available upgrades, stocks, triggers, barrels, and accessories. You could buy a 10/22 for $280 and build it into a precision trainer, a backpacker survival rifle, or a competition-ready rimfire machine. It's perfect for training new shooters, small game hunting, pest control, and thousands of rounds of affordable practice. If you own only one rifle and you're on a budget, the Ruger 10 of 22 may genuinely be all you ever need. Number 1. Savage 110 Hunter/Savage 110 Series. 6.5 Creedmoor /.308/multiple. $420, $480. Savage 110 is the number 1 best rifle under $500 in 2026, and it earns the top spot by delivering factory accuracy, a world-class adjustable trigger, and a proven long-range platform at a price that makes premium rifle buyers uncomfortable. The Savage 110 series features the AccuFit stock system, adjustable comb height and length of pull-without tools, giving you a custom fit that most bolt-action rifles at 3 times the price don't offer. The Accu trigger is adjustable down to approximately 1.5 pounds, crisp and consistent. The carbon steel barrel is button-rifled and threaded for a muzzle device. In 6.5 Creedmoor, this rifle is capable of reaching out past 1,000 yards in the hands of a skilled shooter, and sub-MOA groups at 100 yards with factory ammo are the norm, not the exception. Savage's reputation for out-of-the-box accuracy is unmatched in the budget segment, and the 110 is the pinnacle of that tradition. Whether you're hunting elk at 400 yards, competing in PRS matches, or just want the most rifle your money can buy, the Savage 110 is the answer in 2026. And that wraps up our list of the 9 best rifles under $500 in 2026. The budget rifle market has never been better. Manufacturers are being forced to compete hard, and the winners are buyers like you and me. From the rimfire perfection of the Ruger 10 to 22 and Henry lever action, to the long-range capability of the Tikka T3X and Savage 110, there is genuinely no reason to overspend on your first or next rifle. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more honest firearm content, and let us know in the comments which rifle you're picking up. We'll see you in the next one.